Hey everybody, it's Andrew from HoneyCart, and in this video I'll show you how you can completely prevent a customer from being able to make a change to their order or from being able to cancel their order without contacting you first. So a little background is when we first built HoneyCart, we added a feature that lets you set your own catering policies as far as when someone could make a change on their own or when someone could cancel the order on their own without having to contact you. For example, it could be like 1 business day advance notice if they need to make a change or cancel, right? And if it was past that, then when they log in and try to do something, it would just not let them do it. And they told you you'd have to contact support. But as time went by, a few people have asked us if there is a way to completely prevent the customers from making any types of changes or canceling, regardless of how far in advance in the future it was, just because they wanted to have more control over that. So we finally made that happen. So to turn these things on, go to your settings here and go to your order types, because this is where all the catering policy rules are. I'm going to change the policy rules on my corporate drop-off order type. And to get there, just click on the ordering policies link or just scroll down. So if I click on here, it'll scroll me down. I'm going to go to the change order one. So right here, I'll show you what it looks like normally. So normally, when you set these rules, they're allowed to go in and make changes to the order so long as it's within this rule of 1 business day advance notice before 5 p.m. So if I bring up an order, today is the 14th at 1:37 p.m. Today, this order is for tomorrow. So it's 1 business day advance notice and it isn't 5 p.m. yet, right? So I can come in here and I can make a change. Now, if I were to go back and say at the top, no, they must contact us. So it's going to tell you that the rules you set below will still apply. And all that really means is that when your staff is making the change on their behalf, they're going to see a warning that it's actually past the cutoff time, just in case. So when you save this, now when I come back here, they're going to see that there's no button to make a change, no button to save changes or anything, and that they have to contact support to make the change. Now the same thing with the cancellation policy. So by default, it's going to say yes, so long as it's within the rules, they can make the order, they can cancel the order without contacting you. And if I were to say cancel here, they would see that, right? But if I were to turn this on, come back here and refresh, and now go to cancel, it's now disabled and it says please contact support if you need to change your order. So that's basically it. If you have any questions, please let us know at support@gethoneycart.com. Thanks.